Hey guys, Pete Sohm with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to walk you through our 2023 Sea Ray 400 SLX. Let Frank give you a quick profile shot of the boat here. As you can see, I am standing on our beach door, which does fold in and out, just gives you more room in the cockpit here. We do have the sea deck on the swim platform, that does continue throughout the entire cockpit. Our submersible swim platform is underneath. Great seating configuration back here. This can spin like so, just giving you more space. Making our way in, you can see we do have the extended sunshade out right now. This retracts all the way in. Beautiful teak cockpit table in here. Fold like so, again, give you a little bit more room throughout the cockpit. Our starboard side here, you can see our wet bar configuration. We have some storage right here, grill, twin fridge, great spot for a trash receptacle, and sink. We also have the opening canvas section here for the hardtop, so we can let the light in, get some sun on us. At the helm, twin captain's chairs with their own thigh-high bolsters. So you can see this is a beautiful space right here. We have twin SIMRAD displays. All of our lighting controls will be here. Our GPS. This boat does have the Axios joystick system with the 8.2 380 mags. Let's make our way downstairs. Got some pretty nice head clearance down here. I'm about 5'10". We have a TV right here, another TV in the aft. Folding table. This will go down. You can turn this into a little V berth. And Frank's sleeping there. Another microwave down here. Another fridge. Our head, which is a wet head, so you do have a little shower nozzle in there. Make our way to the bow. And we have a ton of seating up here. Again, you can see that beautiful sea deck throughout the cockpit and accenting the stone interior on this boat. Spotlight up here and access to our windlass anchor. All right guys, again, 2023 Sea Ray 400 SLX. If you have any questions about this or any other boat that we have, feel free to come in or visit us online. Thank you.